Hello, it's Kat again, and I'm making a video on my dogs. Hi. That's Gypsy. Say hi, Gypsy. Or look away. Gypsy! It's it. No. No. No! Yes, we see you. Hi. And that's Shaq. As you've seen from my last video. And that's Barrett! Barrett, stop eating the grass. Gert, yes, run away, run away! Evil little pooch. But we had one of our other dogs die, so... And her grave is over there. If you see that little white block on the floor, okay? And there's some bikers going by. Say hi, bikers. Or don't. Like I said, puppy, 2 dogs. One's walking away. Jack! Come here. Hey! No, Barrett. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Or don't. And those 2 like to play a lot. Woo! 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 Not too close now. Woo. Dog fight! Dog fight! Ah! No! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Those are my dogs for you. Subscribe. Subscribe. Back to the dog. Lovely view. Jack King. Shut up, Barrett. Anyway. Yes, Barrett. Say bye. Barrett, say bye. She said bye for you.